world of construction, safety isn't an option, it's a necessity. Exposed edges on construction sites are one of the greatest risks to worker safety. This is where the TSS Meshguard system comes in, a comprehensive and safe solution designed for easy and quick installation. Built with durable steel mesh and an integrated kick plate, it's engineered to enhance safety standards on your construction site. From concrete to steel and timber structures, the TSS Meshguard is the ultimate choice for edge protection in all your projects. The TSS Meshguard features a galvanized coating and powder finish for high durability and resistance to harsh conditions, fully compliant with the 13,374 standard Class A and B. At TSS, our first priority is your protection. TSS, Safe Working Solutions. For more information, visit www.tss-me.com.